A little word of encouragement for you. No matter the opposition, no matter how hard it may be, push through. Do what you need to do. Focus on yourself. Draw back your energy and place it on yourself. Push through. You can do it. If you need to take a break, take a break. If you need to take a nap, take a nap. 15 to 30 minutes will do you wonders. If you need to ask for supernatural guidance or supernatural help, open your mouth and ask the universe. Ask God, whoever it is that you call on as your higher power and authority to assist you in this human experience. Ask for what you need. Once you ask for what you need to take a moment to sit back and receive the answer. You cannot receive the answer as long as you're sitting in confusion, anxiety, or fear. So you gotta relax in order to get that feedback. You will be guided from there. If there's any opposition to what it is that you're trying to do, more than likely, the universe is trying to guide you in another direction. Don't force anything. If you need to have an emotional release in order to release that fear and anxiety that you feel in your body, do that. Cry. Whatever you need to do to get your vessel clear, to get that feedback. Your answer will come in a form of an innate impulse to do something. Or it will feel like a knowing, just a knowing that you're supposed to do something. Not because you're afraid, but because it feels like that's what you're supposed to do. But no matter what, you do not give up. You do not give up. Push through.